welcome back to Beyond the Surface. Today, I just wanted to take a moment and share a meditation chair that I have that I find is very comfortable. It kind of gets you off the floor. Sometimes you want to change your position for meditating. So, this chair I purchased several years ago, but I'm sure it's probably still available. I'll put the link of the website where I purchased it from if you're interested in buying one. It also came with a pillow. Now, the pillow I use at times in a seated meditation pose right before going into a yoga flow. So this is used to I use it to help get me comfortable in the Sukhasana pose. So it helps lift your tailbone off the floor and kind of stabilizing. So it's just a lifting and it's very comfortable. So it came with the chair, as I mentioned before. So if you're interested, you'll get 2 for 1. So the chair has several positions. It has an upright position. Then you can bring it forward and lean it back. If you have trouble, with getting off the floor, this kind of elevates you a little bit. Another position here, another reclining position. But me personally, I like this position here. Kind of puts you in a relaxing mode. You're not lying down, you're sitting up. I like sitting with my knees bent, so this is comfortable for me. You can also use the pillow if you need added back support. Sometimes we have a little challenge with back support. The pillow helps kind of put an arch in your back, but it's still very comfortable. So, several ways to use it. Hope you enjoy it. Just thought it was something worth sharing. So, see you next time on Beyond the Surface.